The prestigious UniSA Plus Award is endorsed by the Vice-Chancellor. The award is open to all UniSA students and recognises your excellent co-curricular efforts. Participating in the UniSA Plus Award is like planting a tree of you. By choosing to start your journey, you have planted the first seed. First, go to the UniSA Plus website and explore the many ways in which you could grow. Next, pick a challenge. You can start with any of the 3 challenges provided: self-development, volunteering, or leadership. In each challenge, there are 3 quests. First, equip yourself with a fresh mindset through the Learn Online training module. Access the module through the website, then click Enroll. Then, go out to the world and make real impacts. For each challenge, you will need to complete around 60 hours of meaningful experiences, such as attending workshops, volunteering, or paid employment. Do not forget to record your progress through Career Hub. Finally, when you have accumulated the required experience, go back to Learn Online and submit your reflection. The reflection can be a short essay, a video, or a creative presentation. When the reflection is verified, you will get a certificate. Like a tree, you will grow through each challenge. You will understand yourself more deeply, obtain valuable skills, and become a part of impactful initiatives. You can complete the challenges anytime and at your own pace. If you successfully complete all 3 challenges, you will receive the prestigious UniSA Plus Award. There will be a fabulous awards ceremony. Can you guess what it will look like? Yes, a forest of resilient, impactful trees. Begin your journey of growth today with UniSA Plus.